Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In previous videos, we are learnt about kidneys, external and internal structure and formation of urine. In this video, we are going to know about other pathways of excretion. In our body, many organs are present. Each and every organ has their own specific function. But some organs, even having their specific function, they carry out excretion as a secondary function. Such type of organs are here known as accessory excretory organs. Example, lungs, large intestine, liver and skin. Now we are going to know each one in detail. Lungs. In respiratory process, lungs remove carbon dioxide and water. Next, large intestine. Excess salts of calcium, magnesium and iron are excreted by their epithelial cells along with the feces. Next, liver. The lifespan of RBCs is 120 days and they are destroyed in the liver, and the metabolic waste of hemoglobin of dead RBCs produces bile pigments, bilirubin, biliverdin and urochrome. Among these, urochrome is eliminated through urine. Biliverdin and bilirubin are excreted through bile, along with the cholesterol and hormones, extra drug, vitamins and alkaline salts. Liver is also involved in formation of urea. Next, skin. Skin consists of large number of sweat glands which supplied with blood capillaries. From these blood capillaries, from the blood, skin extract sweat and some metabolic wastes. The skin sends out plenty of water and small amounts of salts as sweat. So, skin serves as an extra accessory excretory organ. In skin, sebaceous glands eliminates sebum. Sebum contains waxes, sterols, hydrocarbons and fatty acids. Small amounts of nitrogenous wastes are eliminated through saliva and tears. In this way, these accessory excretory organs are eliminate some wastes from our body. Now, we are going to know about excretion in other organisms. Different organisms use variety of strategies in excretion process. In unicellular organisms, they have no specific excretory organs. Hence, they use a simple process, that is diffusion. So, they remove waste products by simple diffusion from the body surface into the surroundings. As example, amoeba paramecium possesses osmoregulatory organelle called contractile vacuole. It collects the water and waste from the body and swells up, reaches to the surface and bursts to release the contents to outside. Though they have contractile vacuole, they use diffusion process as a main to excrete the waste products. In multicellular organisms, they possess different excretory organs for removal of waste materials from their body. And structural and functional complexity of excretory organs increases from sponges to humans. Now we are going to know each phylum or organism's excretory system or excretory organs in detail by a table. Protozoa. Simple diffusion from the body surface into surroundings. Porifera and coelentrates. Water bath almost all the cells. Platyhelminthes, flame cells. Platyhelminthes, example planaria, they have special cells that is known as flame cells. Nematoda, rennet cells. Annelids, Nephridia. In nephridia is a special pore known as nephridia pore that is opens into body surface and it excretes the wastes directly to the surroundings. Arthropoda, green glands and malphizian tubules. Mollusca, they have small nephridiums are formed into a metanephridia. Echinodermata, water vascular system. Reptiles, aves and mammals. Kidneys. In this way, the other organisms in other phylums they have different excretory organs to eliminate the wastes from their body. Key points: lungs, skin, liver, large intestine have their own specific functions but carry out excretions as a secondary function. Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water. Sebaceous glands in skin eliminates sebum which contains wastes, waxes, sterols, hydrocarbons and fatty acids. Liver excretes the bilirubin and bilirubin through bile juice along with the hormones, vitamins, extra drug and salts. Large intestine excretes the excess salts of magnesium, calcium and iron. Different organisms use variety strategies in excretion process. Unicellular organisms have no specific excretory organs and they use diffusion process for excretion. Multicellular organisms possess different excretory organs for the removal of waste materials from their body.